My name is David Cotton. I studied the Advanced Diploma of Hospitality, specialising in Patisserie in Adelaide. I graduated in 2013. Since graduating, I moved from Adelaide to Sydney. I worked in a couple of hotels around Sydney, and then more recently I moved to Korea and I did a working holiday in Korea where I worked in a 5-star hotel over there and also a smaller pastry shop. At the moment I'm working at Sheraton on the Park in Sydney as a pastry chef. My journey as a pastry chef started just as a baker's assistant, part-time in a bakery while I was studying in high school. After completing an apprenticeship there, I decided to further my education in the industry, and I then went on to study at Le Cordon Bleu as a pastry chef. My favourite subject while I was studying was the business plan. I really enjoyed creating an original concept and building an idea from the ground up. The advice that I would give to a new student would be to make the most of every opportunity that you have while you're studying at Le Cordon Bleu. I think you were presented with quite a few good opportunities to volunteer within the industry and really put yourself out there and gain some industry experience. I think my favourite moment while I was studying at Le Cordon Bleu was the opportunity that I had to do 2 days work experience in Kangaroo Island at a seafood festival. We were looking after a fish and chip stall. Yeah, it provided a really good opportunity to gain some industry experience. I chose to study at Le Cordon Bleu because I think they really represent excellence in the industry and they stand above the rest when it comes to training and opportunities and growth in your career. One main difference that I've noticed as far as like other Le Cordon Bleu students that I've come across out in the industry that have come through my workplace, like doing their industry placements or recent graduates themselves, is they're better prepared for the industry, and I think they know what to expect from the workforce already. I did my work placement as a pastry chef in Central Australia at Hotels Resort. The experience that I got out of working at Hotels was really invaluable for me. It was really challenging, like living out in the middle of the desert in a really small community. It was pretty hard, but I think that was the kind of experience I was looking for. Like I really wanted to push myself personally and professionally to do something that was outside of my comfort zone. And yeah, I couldn't have got any more out of the experience. It was really great.